Good day. The topic is about obtaining the average atomic mass of an atom. An atom can be composed of several isotopes, which are atoms of the same element having different atomic masses. Now we will get the weighted mass of those isotopes, and that will compose our average atomic mass. So we say that the average atomic mass is the contribution of the atomic mass of the atoms that make it up. So we solve it as the sum of the product of the fraction of abundance of the isotope, that's Xi, times the atomic mass of that certain isotope. So the fraction of abundance is simply the decimal counterpart of the percentage abundance for that certain isotope. So suppose we have silicon atom that is composed mainly of silicon 28, 29, and 30 isotopes, which fraction of abundance are given and as well as their atomic mass. So